Everybody, Stan Dale, President, Florida SunCoast chapter. I hope you're doing good. But let me dive into it because we've got some really cool things coming up between now and the 19th. So coming up on the 12th, the FSC ZCCA luncheon in Sarasota. I'll be traveling this week. It was on my to-do list, but I'll be in New York, New Jersey this week, trying to get back here late Thursday night. So I'll miss that one. You don't. Go check that out. On the 13th is the Revs tour, and I think we've got 30 plus. I think I saw that note from Anthony. We have 30 plus folks on that tour. I'm not going to be able to make the tour, but I am going to join you at Michelbob's for lunch. Great little barbecue place, and so I think I might even try to see if I can talk Kim to come down with me as well. So we'll see. Hopefully, we'll see you at Michelbob's if I don't get snowed in New Jersey. On the 14th, we have 3 events coming up on the 14th. Jacksonville Caffeine Octane, Southwood up in Tampa, up in Tallahassee, Southwood Cars and Coffee, and the Lakeland Cars and Coffee at Fields. So check those out. If you're close to any one of those 3, go check that out. And then on the 19th is the launch of the North South Apalach Drive. And of course, that's sold out. It's already booked out. I'm going to try to join, if we can get back in time, I'm going to try to join everybody there for dinner on the first part of the leg there. So trying to make that happen around some other work obligations to do that. Let me back up. We're coming up on the big show in March the 8th. So the deadline for registration is the 14th. So coming up next Saturday is going to be the deadline for registration for the big show. And we normally have a ton of BMWs in that. I think there's like half a dozen registered so far, so don't miss out. The big show, I think this is the 14th or 15th year. So register that up and let's go take that over. And oh, by the way, the day before that, March the 7th, we're heading over to Dr. Color Chip to do some paint correction. So I don't know, maybe you need a couple dots cleaned up before you take your car to the big show on Sunday, the 8th. So we're heading over. Big drive, they're feeding us lunch, big presentation, and the drive back. The drive over, the drive back is going to have some really cool surprises as to where we route it. It's going to be fun. Anthony and a bunch of us have been talking about it for quite a while, and we're heading over to take this in. We'll surprise you when we get closer, but it should be a blast. So until then, get that registration in for the big show, sign up for the Dr. Color Chip drive. See you at Revs if you're gonna do that, and we'll see you also on the North South Apalach Drive. Take in the cars and coffees and the luncheons. A lot of things happening. Until then, we'll see you soon. Thank you, everybody. Happy motoring. See you soon. Bye now.